In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add constraints to a camera, so that it matches the exact rotation values of a target mesh. Let's align the default cube's bottom with the world center, and add a ground plane. I'll select the camera and reset its location and rotation values. Let's add 3 constraints to the camera like this. We need to move the camera away from the cube, but we can't do that when the constraints are active. I'll go with this viewing angle. We need to activate the offset option. Here are my settings. Now the camera will follow no matter where the cube goes. Try rotating the cube, and the camera will follow its exact rotation as per constraints. I'll add rigid body physics for both meshes. This constraint setup can be used to create interesting animations. The target object can bounce, tumble, or rotate, and the camera will always center itself on the mesh. I'll create a little more bouncy ground in the cube. The result could be a bit odd like this. Please experiment with the constraint settings to create the best looking result. That could make a good logo animation. Please do experiment with the constraint settings. There could be a lot of interesting variations. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.